Next question is write a program to check given number is Emirp number or not. Emirp number or not. Suppose if the user input is if the user is input is 13, you have to give output as true. Suppose if the user input is if the user is input is 12, so that time you have to give output as false. Anyone know what is Emirp number?
No, sir.
Sir, if any number given, we should reverse that number, and the number and the reverse number should be in prime numbers.
Yes, good. So now see here, what is Emirp number means? If any number, first, if a prime number, if you're taking, if number is a prime number, even if you reverse that number, still it has to be a prime number. Then we will call it as Emirp number. So my meaning is, now see here, suppose you have tell me anything prime number.
13, sir.
Yeah, see, 13. Now the 13 is prime number or not? Yes. If you reverse this number, keep 31, is it prime or not? Both are prime numbers, so it is true. Reverse number is also a prime number, the original number is also a prime number. Suppose tell me one more example for the prime number.
17, sir.
17, it also will be the Emirp number only, which is not an Emirp number.
That is 7.
27, sir.
27 is not a prime number only.
That's answer.
37, 73. 73 is not a prime number.
Yes, sir.
It is also prime number only, right?
Prime number.
Both are prime numbers. This is the Emirp number. Okay, I'm just asking example for the Emirp number. Even if it reverse, it will not be an Emirp number. Okay, I'll search in Google.
23, sir.
Yeah,
Or
good.
32.
Yeah, now see here, 23. It is a prime number. Okay, but 32, it is not a prime number. So that means it is not an Emirp number. Okay, now here, how to check? What are the how do you check whether the given number is Emirp number? First, the user is given input as 23. Okay, first input will consider as a Emirp number only, 13. First, if you the first step here algorithm, first check given number is prime or not. So the given number is 12 means you don't need to check whether it is Emirp number. The first step only it is failed. You can directly return false. Okay, but if the first number is 13, it has been passed the first step. After that, second step, if the given number is prime number, then the second step is reverse that number. Reverse that number. You mean you have to perform a reverse operation, convert it. 31. Again, check reverse number is prime or not. If reverse number is also prime, then return true, else return false. So what is the first step? First step, you have to check the given number is prime or not. So in this, you have to declare two methods. One is prime method, one more is reverse method, okay, and one more is Emirp method. Now you will learn here calling a method inside a method. Okay, method calling. Now see, we will develop a step by step. First, what the step you have to do? The step 1, we have to check given number is prime or not. Given number is prime or not. We already know how to check the given number is prime or not. See, now I am going to create a class. Next Emirp number. Okay, now here in the main method I am taking input from the user. So scanner class sc is equal to new scanner class system dot in. Now see here I am asking user to enter a number. Now here I am taking that value into the integer type. Int n is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, now here I have to check which method I have to create here. I am creating a static method. Why method? Static method means I don't want to create an object. Public static. It is going to return which type? Boolean type is Emirp. So it is taking one parameter which is the value which is user entered. Okay. Now see here I am calling that method boolean b is equal to is Emirp, and I am providing the user provided value to this method. If b, you can take b is equal to true, system.out.println. Okay, you can keep like this also, and you can keep simply b. Okay, if b, then s it is Emirp number. Okay, else no, it is not an Emirp number. Okay, no, it is not an Emirp number. Now we have written our driver code to take input from the user and provide the value to the method. Now we have to complete this method. First step is checking given number is prime or not. First, if you want to do be an Emirp number means the basic qualification is that number first it has to be the prime number, correct? So if it is prime number only, then only we are going to reverse. If it is not prime number only, why should we reverse? We directly can give false. Now here I am calling a method which is prime method. Is prime method and I'm providing here the value n. Whatever we got, that value I'm providing here. Okay, which is returning which type? Boolean type. So boolean b is equal to is prime. But in our class we don't have is prime method. So I'm creating here one method, public static boolean is prime, which is taking integer n. Okay, which is taking integer n. How you can tell whether it is a prime number or not? You will, if it is a 1 is not also prime number. Okay, so the prime number, if suppose if 6 means if it is divisible by only 1 on itself, then it is a prime number. Suppose if it is divisible by 2 means then it is not a prime number. So that already we have learned. Now see here I am writing a logic here. If n is equal to 1, return false. Okay, again here, if n is equal to 2 or n equal to 3, then return true, because both 2 and 3 are prime numbers only. Now here for loop, take a for loop from where? Int I is equal to 2. Okay, I less than n, I plus plus. If when modulus of I equal to 0, then you have to return. If it is dividing by any number means then return false. Return false, then no need of executing, just break the loop. Okay, if the loop, sorry, here no need of break, because we are returning this method means the return statement is only last statement. If you are doing in the main method, then you have to use a break. Now see, if this for loop is executed successfully, if it is this n is not divided by any number, okay, so it will not return false. This for loop executed successfully means in the end that is a prime number, return true. All of you understand the logic of is prime? So n is equal to 1, it is not a prime number, we already know. Okay, and if n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 means that is a both are prime numbers only, so we are directly returning true. No, okay, let it be fine. Okay, now see what I am doing. If n is equal to 5 means I am dividing that from 2 up to 4. Okay, it is dividing anywhere in the between from 2 to n, that I am returning false, because it not has to be divisible by 2, anything, any value. So if this for loop executed completely successfully means then it is not divisible by any number, then means it is a prime number. That's why I am returning here true. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here, just naming convention. Now if b, if it is true, if the output is given yes, it is a prime number. So if this method is saying that whether the user input is prime number, then the second step is reverse a number. Reverse a number. How to reverse a number? Int reverse is equal to reverse provide n. What is this reverse? This reverse is a method which is going to create for public. Okay, in this method we are going to write a logic for the reverse method. How to do reverse? We have to take one variable in the reverse, first assign to the 0. Okay, while while n not equal to 0, you have to perform int x is equal to, first you have to take the last digit. How to take the last digit? N modulus of 10, and you have to attach it to the reverse. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus x, and you have to reduce the number. You have to remove the last digit from the number. How to remove? N is equal to n slash 10. Okay, now you have to return here. Which number you have to return? Not 0, you have to return the reverse number. Okay, now see, after this again here, if once the reverse is done, once you made a reverse, now here the step is check reverse number is true or not. See, the first condition is you have to check the given number is prime or not. If this the prime, then you have to do this. If it is not a prime, else return false. Directly you can return false. Okay, now see here, if again, if is prime, if is prime, I'm providing here the reverse. If it is giving you, if is prime is true, means return true. Else return false. Okay, now understood here the logic. First we are checking the given input is prime or not. So if the given input is prime, this logic is going to be work. If the given input is not a prime number, then it is going to be work. Okay, if the given number is prime number, then we are going to reverse that number. Again we are checking the reverse number is prime or not. If it is a prime, this logic is going to be executed. Else this logic is going to be executed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me run this program. I am providing here 13. Yes, it is Emirp number. We already know. I am providing here 23. No, it is not an Emirp number. Now you all understand our logic is executing perfectly. Now I will debug it here. For the sake of everyone, I am debugging it here. Just understand clearly how the logic is working. Guys, if anyone getting confused of the total number of methods, just focus here. So first we have taken an input n is equal to 12. Okay, what is Emirp number? First, if any number is a prime number, reverse number is also has to be prime number, correct? First satisfaction, the given number is prime or not, you have to check. First, how you can tell Emirp number? Okay, Emirp number is, first rule is given number must be prime number. Given number must be prime. To check whether it is Emirp number or not, the given number must be prime number. So first it is 12. Now I am checking is prime. I am checking 12 is prime or not. 12 is a prime number? No,
No.
it will give you false. So this if condition will not work. This condition is going to be work. So the output is false. Okay. Now the second input I am taking. Suppose I am taking here n is equal to 13. Okay. Now it will go here. It will check is prime or not. Now the what is 13 is a prime number, right? So it will give you true. True means it will go inside this. Now this 13 will reverse here. Reverse number. 13 is going to be reversed to 31. Is 31, here again we are checking, is 31 is true, is prime number or not? True. So the final output will be true. Okay. Now again, let me take one more example. So example is 23. Now n is equal to 23. First here, 23 is prime or not? Guys, 23 is prime or not? Why silent? 23 is prime number. Yes, it is true.
Yes.
Now, again we are providing this 23 to reverse. Now, if the 23 reverse means it is going to be 32. Now, this 32 is checking here, whether it is prime number or not. Is the 32 is prime number?
Not.
False. False means else condition is going to be work. What is the final output? False. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
So, what we did here, we have called a method inside a method that is called, okay, inside a method we can call these methods also. Now we have declared here two methods. One is for the reverse a number, one is for the check the given number is a prime or not. Okay, I hope you all clear what is an Emirp number, how to print an Emirp number. Is it clear?